Good morning everyone. Today we will see how we can convert unlike fractions into like fractions. So before going to these steps, first let me tell you what are like fractions. So can you see over here we have 2 by 7 and we have 4 by 7 at the bottom. So 2 by 7 and 4 by 7 they are called like fractions. Why I am saying they are like? Because here we have denominator 7. In 2 by 7 fraction we have a denominator 7, and in 4 by 7 fraction we have a denominator 7. So whenever the denominator of two fractions are same, that means the fractions are called like fractions. So 2 by 7 and 4 by 7 are called like fractions. But what are unlike fractions? Like here, at the top, can you see the example 1 by 5 and 3 by 4? Yes. So here I have 1 by 5. So here in 1 by 5, I have a denominator 5. Whereas in 3 by 4 fraction, I have a denominator 4. So we know 5 is not equal to 4. So whenever the denominator of any two fractions are not same, that means both that fractions are called unlike fractions. So 1 by 5 and 3 by 4 are unlike fractions. But whereas 2 by 7, 4 by 7, 6 by 7, these three fractions are called like fractions. But if I ask you that 1 by 5 and 6 by 7 are these two fractions like fractions? No. Why? Because here you can see the denominator in 1 by 5 is 5, whereas in the denominator of 6 by 7 is 7. So these two are not like fractions. Why? Denominator is 5 in 1 by 5, denominator is 7 in 6 by 7. So these two are called unlike fraction. But if I ask you 2 by 7 and 6 by 7, yes, these two are called like fraction because denominator is same, 7. So if I ask you that in 2 by 7, in 4 by 7 and in 6 by 7, can you tell me which fraction is greater? So yes, the fraction 6 by 7 is greatest. Why? Because the denominator is same. 2 by 7 denominator is 7, 4 by 7 denominator is 7, 6 by 7 denominator is 7. So what we have to see? We have to see the numerator only. If I am asking the greatest, so you have to see the greatest numerator. Greatest numerator is 6. And if I ask you which one is the smallest, so 2 by 7. Okay. Now 1 by 5 and 3 by 4, they both are unlike fractions. So here you can see I have 2 by 7 plus 1 by 4 by 7 is equal to 6 by 7. Now 1 by 5 and 3 by 5, 3 by 4 are unlike fraction. Now how we can convert these two fractions into like fractions? So let's see. Can you see here we have denominator 4 and denominator 5. So first step is denominators are 4 and 5. So now I need to find out the LCM of 4 and 5. So LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Now what I have to do here? I have to make the denominator of 3 by 4 as 20, and then I'll make denominator of 1 by 5 as 20. Now let's see how we can do this. Let's So here 3 by 4, in 3 by 4 I have to make 4 as 20. How can I make 4 as 20 when I multiply it with 5? So I'll multiply 3 with 5. 3 into 5 is 15. So I'll write here 15. 3 5s are 15. Let's make 1 by 5 denominator 5 as 20. Done here. 3 into 5 is 15. So 15 by 20 is what? Is equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Now I have to make the equivalent fraction of 1 by 5 with the denominator 20. Now how can I make 5 as 20? 20. So when I get 20 in table of 5, when I multiply it with 4, so 5 into 4 is 20. Now that means I have to multiply 1 with 4. So 1 into 4 is 4. So I'll write here 4 by 20. This is how I can convert unlike fraction 3 by 4 into 5 by 20 and 1 by 5 into 4 by 20. So 5 by 20 and 4 by 20 are like fraction. Why I'm saying this is like fraction? 5 by 20, because 20 is denominator and 20 is the denominator of other fraction. Now let's see the other example. Here 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Denominator is not same. First take the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now I have to make 4 12. How can I make 4 as 12? When I multiply 4 with what number? When I multiply 4 with 3. So that means I have to multiply 3 with 3 only. So 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 by 12. Now 5 by 6. I have to make 6 as 12. What number I have to multiply in 6 to make it 12? 2. Now the 2 I have to multiply this 2 with 5. 5 2s are 10. So 10 by 12. This is how I can make the like fraction. These two are called like fraction because denominator of both the fractions are same. Thank you.